So we're over here at the vending machine, and the first thing, see, it's a vending machine, it's got nothing in it, no money or nothing. So the first thing you want to do is press it 3 times, the receipt button. You want to press that 3 times. You want to get your 20p, put it in it, okay? And then after that, what you want to do is just, you know, scroll through what you want to get. Oh, I got confused here because I did not know what to get. Look, there's literally. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering what that other sound was, it's this guy next to me that's getting something. So yeah, I figured I wanted an Oreo, but then I wanted a Mars bar. So I went stuck with the Mars bar. So what you want to do, you want to go to the bottom row and look at the number. And then you want to press it 3 times, 4 times. It depends what like the next number is. So it's 4. And then after that you want to press it. Oh. So you press it 4 times. You've got to leave quite a big gap in between the presses. And then you see I'm pressing 2 times. And as soon as you press it the second time, you want to spam it as much as you can. And nothing will come out. If it's worked, nothing will come out. So then you just wait, and then some money, see? The money just started to drop. So I go down, and I got £1.10, I think it was, out of it. So, and then you can literally, it's so sick. Then you can just put your money in and get a free snack just like that. So I put the money in, and then I put in what I want. See, I got £1.05. I mean, see, I wanted the Mars bar, so I just put that in. So make sure to leave a gap in between, and that is it. That is pretty sick, guys. It took me like 10 videos to find it, and see, I got it. It's legit. See, yeah, and I left the sound on the whole time. So without further ado, let's get into the outro. I hope this did help you out. Real quickly, I just want to say sorry about the background music. See, I just got the Mars bar out of that vending machine, and it's as simple as that. So easy. So I hope this video did help you out. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.
You guys how to make free coke. Me how to get free coke. I'm not trying to get copyrighted for music. Alright, ready?
I'll choose E5. That's it.
Hey guys, so I think we found a way. Put a bill. Obviously we didn't do it yet, but I think it makes sense. If you press what you want, like say I want Cheetos, so C4, just like C4 in Fortnite, that's 5. And you press this, then literally you have to quickly press it again, C4, then you'll hack it, which kind of trigger something in there. So yeah, guys, let's do it, guys. So I'm gonna do it right now. Hi. So what do you want? What do you want? I think I want. Say I want chocolate bar. Does that V5? I want chocolate bar. And it just came. Let's go, guys. Okay, guys. Anthony, come here. So, we got it. If you want to try this anywhere, it works. But yeah, guys. Yeah, we're signing off for now. We're the hacker team.